Virtual assistant ba imong asawa or work from home ba si Mrs.? Tag-ano na ko na ay times sa puton siya no or mukalit ra siya og hilak and you don't know what to do. Maanoy kang magtuo ka nga imong sala but actually dili ba yan imong sala. I will explain so keep watching. Hi, I am Lisa and I am a virtual assistant and runner. Almost 20 years na ko nga freelancer, writer, virtual assistant and I'm hoping ang ako ang mga experience sa pagka-virtual assistant akong ma-share diri sa ako ang mga videos and then makatabang sa mga aspiring virtual assistants and existing virtual assistants how to emotionally navigate the world of the VA life. This video is actually not for aspiring VAs, but I made this video for the husbands and the partners of VAs such as myself. Brad, storya tabi kay murag kinahanglan na gyud nimo madungog. So si wifey nimo nga virtual assistant and she works from home alone, di ba? So possibly ikaw because you are the male partner and you are probably not a VA, you're not a freelancer, you are not a remote worker, you work on site, meaning your job involves leaving your house and then doing your work at the workplace and then coming home from work. Tama? So far? So if you are what I'm describing, then this video is for you. So you come home to your wife na medyo sapot after her own work from home as a virtual assistant or freelancer. Then mangutana ka, anong gisapot man si wife? Anong pirmi man siya sapot? Kanang pagsira sa laptop pa kay mugot na kaayo. Or kanang samtang nag-type sila sa keyboard, murag mabuak ng keyboard. Lord, isog kay mo type sa keyboard. Tabangan ti ka ha para makasabot ka sa imuhang wife. And if you are a virtual assistant or freelancer, pwede nimo i-send nga video sa imuhang husband para makasabot sila sa imuhang sitwasyon. Ako'y explain niya kung anong pirmi kasabot. So to the husbands and partners of virtual assistants or work from home moms, wives, let me tell you that you could easily have a lazy wife who just asks you for your salary and then asa nang sustinto sa mga bata. And all day long si wife ay nag-TikTok ra or nag-Netflix. Niya, naapa jud mo yayaw, naapa jud mo tigluto. So si wife is princess level ra nga lifestyle. You know, yung nepo baby ang peg. Pero the wife that you have, she's not lazy. She is a virtual assistant, remote worker, work from home. So on top of her remote work for her clients, she also does the household chores. Nagluto, nangumpra, naghatod kuha sa mga bata, and at times, muatiman pa jud siya sa iyahang elderly parents. And if you live together with your in-laws, muatiman po na siya sa imuhang own family if you live close to each other. Diba? Yun anak kakugihan si wife. But here is the part na different from other people who do not work from home. Kay, when you work from home, manggod, you work alone most of the time. Wala kay kauban, wala kay kasturya, paano sa nanay imuhang kuan laway, wala kay kasturya, wala kay kapahungawan. Compared to working in an office, people can gossip, magdungan sila lunch break, na sila kasturya, kung na sila kalagut-gut sa ilang supervisor, kay naa siya karamay, kay silang magkauban sa office, parehas silang experience. So naay maminaw sa ilahang mga hinanaing, di ba? But your wife, your work from home wife, she has no one. Likely wala siya ka vent outan sa iyahang mga experiences. Because her experiences are unique to herself. Technically, wala siya makita sa iyang palibot na karamay. Physically, wala siya mahikap nga lain nga tao. Wala siya kauban. Okay? Kunya, di pod siya ka-vent out about her stress with clients kay siya raman ang nag-work with that specific client. Kinsa may makarelate niya. In short, ang imong work from home na virtual assistant wife is a solo flyer. Do you realize how lonely that is to work alone? Ikaw ra usa kay karamay. Then, when you get home and you see her almost wanting to cry or vent out, imuhang mood pagyud is dili receptive. Good for you kay gikan ka sa office. Unsay kalagut-gut nimo sa imong amo, naa kay pwede masultian nga mga office mates. Imong work from home wife nga virtual assistant, ay kasturya, likely wala man. Kung naagay siya GC with other virtual assistants or work from home niya nga mga friends, adto na siya magpahungaw sa iyang feelings. But I tell you, lahi ra jud if she had your support without being criticized by you. She really needs a karamay. So if you want to help your VA wife na all around yaya, tigluto, tigkumpra, tigbantay sa balay, here's how you can be her karamay. If you really love her and you want her to be happy with you, here is what you can do. Musuggest lang ko ang mga steps. So step 1, you treat her like a high-ticket client, like treating her as your boss. If you're not already doing that, try this. Treat her as your boss and reduce the mental load. I call this the 1-2-3 data rule. For example, when your wife is in the middle of her work, do not ask her open-ended questions like, ma, unsay sudan unya? Simple ra nga pangutana no, pero kasuway ka pangutanon nimo imong wife yun nana, imong ulbo iyang sapot, pangutanon nimo, unsay sudan or unsay sudanon, unsay lutuon, nana. Kanang nga question can be overwhelming. Nganuman, kanang pangutanon ka, unsay sudan, pwede magkumutubag og 100 ka different types of sudan. Di makapila ka buk sudan sa kalibutan. Pwede ka mutubag og bisag unsa nga sudan, daghan kayo choices. So, the mental load of answering that question is overwhelming. Plus, wala pud siya kay baw unsa pay sulod sa inyong ref. Wala siya kay baw. So, unsa niya pag-decide kung unsay sudan? Unsa man patindugon pa nimo siya sa iyahang workstation, butang nato nag-type siya, nagtrabaho siya, unya mo tanon nimo unsay sudan. Mutindog pa siya sa workstation, mutan-aw siya sa ref, unya tan-aw niya kung unsay pwede lutuon in the middle of her work time. Imo siyang ipangutanag ingon ana nga question. Naputol ang iyang train of thought. Kung nag-data entry na si wife kay ang client naghuwat sa transcription at 5 PM, unya putlo nimo iyang concentration at 4:45 PM kay nangutana ka unsay sudanon sa panihapon. Ayaw po, bugat na og mental load si wife. Ayaw pun ang iyang gipasan. So, mao ni akong suggestion. Try daw asking questions like this para maka-help to ease her mental load. Like I said, I call this the 1-2-3 data rule. First, you give data. Second, you offer choices. And then third, you volunteer to take the task. Ingon ani. So, ani apag pangutana si Mrs. kung wa ka kahibaw unsay lutuon or maybe nagplano na siya daan unsay lutuon niya dili ka gusto mo sapaw niya ba. So, ingon ani on pagpangutana ha. Instead of asking nga unsay sudan nga pwede 100 ka yung itubag, ingon ani on pagpangutana. Mo ana kay langga na ay fish o chicken sa sulod sa ref. Ako lay luto. Unsay mas feel nimo sudanon unya? Fish or chicken? Di ba? Mas nice. So instead of adding to her mental load, igo ra mutubag si wife kung which one iyang prefer. Pwede siya mutubag fish or chicken ang lutuon, okay? Multiple choice. It simplifies the decision making. Less pressure. Di ba? Mas paspas na solve ang sudan. Wala gisapot si wife. Di na siya mutindog from her workstation because you already provided her with data. And you only interrupted her train of thought for a little bit to let her know nga ni volunteer na ka nga moandam sa inyong food. Kanindot ang feeling. Simplify and help with the mental load. Your wife will love you for volunteering to help. So try daw, treat your wife with the same professional white glove treatment. I guarantee nga mausab inyong relationship for the better. Alright? Arita sa step 2, be the listening ear. Kani importante kay ni daghan kayo mga banay, they get this wrong. And I do not want you to fall in that trap. Okay? Be the listening ear. When magyaw-yaw or magmugot si work from home ni mga virtual assistant wife and then close niya ang laptop or worse when she cries in the corner because she's overwhelmed sa personal errands on top of client work, just pause. Okay? Pause lang. You can maybe pat her back, gaksa lang siya. I think makabantay man ka sa iyahang mga physical cues when she's emotional. Be supportive lang. Okay? Try daw dalhi og tubig, calm her down, and then ask her, kinsay kontra nimo langga. Okay? You are prompting her to open up and then you let her know nga you are on her side. Kalma lang. Dili pinasuko ha nga. Kinsay kontra nimo? Ayaw ana ha. Hinay lang ato pagsulti. Langga, kinsay kontra nimo? Anaa nga to no. You let her know that you're on her side nga laban kaniya. Hinahanglan siya karamay. That's all. And then when she talks, bahalag wala ka kasabot if mo mention siya CRM, automation, lead time or task board. Bahalag wala ka kasabot sa terms, paminawa lang. Let her vent out. Sometimes the best medicine is just a listening ear. Kanang paminawon lang yung ka. Don't even attempt to solve her problems. Ayaw suggest nga giing ani ta to nimo. Ayaw ing nana ha, ay pinamay ha. Ayaw kay chances are she already knows how to solve that problem. What she needs is not a solution. She needs a supporter who will listen and unload her mental and emotional burdens. Munay kulang. Kay wala man siya kasturya baya whole day. Likely wala siya ka-vent outan. Overwhelmed gali, wa man ta niingon nga incapable si wife. Wa man ta niingon nga dili siya makasolve sa problem or nga wala siya skills nga makasolve sa problem. She does. She is very competent to solve those problems. Overwhelmed lang siya. Overwhelmed iyang feeling. She just needs a space na paminawon siya o niya suportaan siya without judgment. So after nimo siya i-allow og space nga muhungaw sa iyang mga hinanaing, I promise you, smile na siya. Kaya naka-offload naman siya. Nakapagawas na siya ba sa iyang gibati. She just needs to vent kay all day long wa siya kasturya. Likely wala siya office mate nga naadiha personally nga makasupport niya because she works alone. Remember, she works from home. I hope kasabot ka sa sitwasyon sa imuhang wife nga. Lisod yun walay kabentan. So arita sa step 3, the reality of the hustle. And you need to accept that reality. Kani man kung mag-work from home ta, mo assume ato ang family nga wala ta, dili ta busy. Kay naglingkod naman ta sa computer niya, nag-type-type, ingon ana. Muna ilang makita ba, dili gali nimo mahikap ang productivity sa tao tungod kay nakakita kanila nga ana raman sa balay, maybe nag-uran ra kay wala lagi nagsulubog panglakaw, wa tingali ni duty. Tungod kay muna ilang assumption, kapila ko nakasuway nga naglingkod ko sa akong workstation niya, na ako'y ka-Zoom call nga client. Okay? Nay mo kalit og sud sa kuan sa kwarto, ako ang nanay or akong tatay niya mo ana, dai mo lakaw karon, palihog og palit og kuan bi itlog og bread niya. Na akong kliyente na minaw taon katawa ra. Kay mao lagi work from home niya, mag-assume sila nga dili ta busy kay naaraman sa balay. Because of that assumption, ang family kay murag magtuo sila nga pwede ra disturbuhon anytime. So imagine na daw imong asawa nga nag-try og concentrate while working on her tasks, nya nay mo kalit og balda. Ikaw daw, kung ikaw naa sa office nimo, nya mo duolag kalit imong anak ha, naka sa opisina ha, imagine imong anak mo kalit og tunga, nya mo ana pa, tabangi ko sa akong assignment. Or while nag-meeting ka with a client or nag-meeting mo sa imong supervisor, imong manager mo kalit ug duol ang imong bunso, nya mo na pa gutom ko ga iko milk. Imagine na daw kung mahitabo na sa opisina. Dili no. Wala mo anak nimo sa office. Kay na makas opisina, wa makas balay. So imong work is straight ra, walay disturbo because you are not working from home. Imong wife, your virtual assistant wife, she works at home on her VA tasks or projects as freelancer, tunga sa iyang trabaho na ay family members nga mo insert sa ilang own needs. And then what does your wife do? She stops working, she pauses her work, unya unahon niya ang family. So, kamo mga VA diha, true or false? Putlon ang trabaho no, kay unahon ang pamilya no. Kapila na mahitabo. And I know many of you can relate nga muna inyong buhaton, unahon ang pamilya. Pause lang sa ang trabaho. Now, why do I know this? I know this because I lived it. My late husband, kay biyuda naman ko since 2022, my husband back then didn't understand at first why I was always sapot. At the time, I was handling, I think maybe 5 clients. 5 clients ko, gidugandungan ako. Virtual assistant ko and also freelance writer. And lagi kay matindi ang mga ilangan ba? Daghan man tag bayranan, so dungan-dungan ang clients. Tulo akong part-time nga client, usa ka book project based, unya usa ka book nga output based where I wrote blog articles. So the more I wrote, the more I earned. Ang makasapot nako ato sa una is while nag-work ko niya, mukalit lang og nay mo ana, ma unsay sudan? Ingon ana ba nga yanu-yanuhon ra ka og putol sa imong concentration because they assume that pwede ra ka disturbohon because you are working from home. Ambot po nganong mama magiduulo ni nga di man ang papa pangayuan. Ano man gyud na. Niya lami kayo maka-comment ba ang partner nga ay, sapot dayon good. Gamay ra kayo nga butang, ulbo dayon, di ba? Nalami kayo, naon pagid ka. Naputol imong concentration, nagtrabaho ka niya. Ikaw pa i-criticize, kay nganong dali daw kuno ka saputon niya. Sumao to, patasaan na to atong pasensya kay lisod man sabton ang atong sitwasyon. Lisod i-explain ba? So tuon ko laway, timpla sa gatas, tabang sa assignment, run errands, prep food, limpyo, kumpra, then back to work dayon when the kids are asleep and naghagok na si husband sa gabi. Pero honest lang nung maayo pud ning mag-work ta sa gabi kaadlawon kay walay mo putol sa atong concentration. At least ako, it applies to me nga mas may pang work ko og kuan kaadlawon kay straight ang akong trabaho. The downside is bilar pud ka, wa kay tulog. So sapot gihapon ka all day long. Anyway, when the pandemic came, pag pandemic na, my late husband then had to get creative too because the construction sites closed and he was an architect. So walay work, walay construction kay lockdown. After months of no work and also paubos na po among savings sa ato niya ako mo'y nag-work ato kay lagi virtual assistant niya online ang trabaho so naapay abot so he himself applied as a VA part-time usara ganito iyang client one client pa iyang nasuwayan and then he realized nga wow lahi lagi di ay ning kapoy sa work from home no kasabot na siya nga because you're working from home lisod i-maintain ang concentration if there are other things also in the way especially if mas importante nga unahon ang family dili lisod i-separate there's little boundary that you can use because you are working from home. So you really need to learn how to compartmentalize food. But at the time nga ni try po siya as a virtual assistant, nakasabot siya. So from then on, if makabantay na, akong husband ato nga tayo nga, sapot na ko, automatic na siya nga mangita o paagi nga, maka-vent out ko. So if he sees me, mura gabusdak na sa akong keyboard, ang iyang buhaton is mugawas siya, mag-food panda siya, fries or burger or pizza or coffee. Unya, dalhon dayon niya na ako ato sa akong workstation, butang, yaman na rin siya. Kinsay kontra nimo atong libakon. So mo to magmarites mi sa akong mga kalagot-gut sa akong work as a virtual assistant o mga hinanaing mo to. Quick break, nga on pizza or burger, nga mo vent out ko, maminaw sad siya. And then after that, I felt better. I felt heard. Maura akong kinahanglan to be heard. So that was my experience. I don't know if it's the same thing with your wife. It likely is. So try it daw nga let your wife vent out to you without you judging her. Paminawa lang. Kana listening ear, importante kaayo to feel supported and also heard. So after steps 1, 2, and 3, we are finally in step 4. This is very important. Step 4 is to be your wife's safe zone. You have to understand the carnal, biological need of humans to feel safe. Physically, we know it's already established nga females are more vulnerable than their male counterparts, di ba? Mauni siya sa caveman days pa. Nga, ang bana, ang tig panalipod sa mga dangerous nga mananap na asagawas sa langob. Protector ang male nga human, di ba? Pero karon wa na may mananap sa palibot nga pwede mo patay nimo. Still, the need for safety exists na aghapoy panginahanglan og safety, feeling of safety ang imuhang wife. But it is a different type of safety na, not the physical safety nga mo protect kaniya, but emotional safety ang kinahanglan na sa imuhang virtual assistant wife. Sa stress sa clients, o sa overthinking, o sa overwhelm, o sa mental load with the housework and the client work, nga nag-abot-abot. Your wife doesn't need a physical protector as much as she needs an emotional safe zone. So I hope that you can be that safe zone for her. Make her feel safe to open up to you without the fear of being judged, lectured, or tagaan o correction. Just listen, be the safe zone. Kay bisan unsa pa kalami imong suggestion, wa na siya magkinahanglan ana. Unless siya mismo mo ask nimo, love, what should I do? If wa siya mga yung suggestion, do not voluntarily give it. Like I said, she already knows how to solve the problem. She already knows. She just needs a listening ear para makapahungaw siya sa iyang overwhelm. Kanang feeling ba nga inigsira niya sa iyang laptop, pwede niya isuka tanan iyang feelings, iyang frustrations, ug tanan nga overwhelming thoughts nga nagpundok sa iyang dughan. So the more you allow her to release her demons and let her words flow out, the less heavy she will feel. Mao ni ang sekreto sa lami nga relasyon. Unburden your partner's heart, unburden them, and you will have a better relationship with your work from home VA wife. In this digital age, your most important job is to be the mental and emotional reliever for your wife. If she feels safe with you, she can survive any toxic client or online work environment. Kaya na niya. Makaya niyag pasan ang kalibutan. If she feels safe in your arms, she can handle more clients even because she knows that she has a safe zone with you. So now let me give you the no sapot ROI and a reality check. Remember my question sa sugod? Is your wife always sapot? Di ba muna itong mangutana? Karon kay balo na ka nga no? Dili siya sapot kay dautan siya nga tao, dili man na mao. Sapot siya kay ang iyang mental cup puwerte ng punua, unya wala siya kahungawan. When she feels she has to carry her work, her clients, the kids, her parents, her family, her in-laws, the household chores, and your expectations all at once, gialsa na ni Mrs. Gialsa na niya, gipasa na niya. Di ba natural lang nga muulbo ang iyang kasuko? Ang iyang kasapot, ang kasapot sa imong partner is a signal nga nagkinahanglan na siya og tabang from you. So do your part. Give her the help she needs. The more you support her, the less sapot she will be. It is a simple investment with a massive potential return. Grabe, ang ROI ani sa inyong relationship, Brad. Promise. Because when she feels supported, her mental cup drains and she finally has the space to breathe and be the loving wife that you fell in love with. Believe me, partners, you hold the remote control sa mood sa inyong balay na kay control kung unsa iyang mood yun. If you choose to be her karamay and her protector, her emotional safe zone, you are solving the sapot problem and making her feel supported. I want to make it clear nga dili ka mo ang kontrabida ha. Dili nimo kontra imong VA wife ha. Kauban mo. So treat her like a partner and be there for her because I know for sure she has been there for you to support you in your career. Kay ana man ang mga mapagmahal nga asawa, support man gyud na sa partner. Natural man na sa mo ang nurturing me. Pero ang nakapait is kinsa may mo nurture sa imong wife, kinsa may mo support niya. Makadasig yun na sa iyang kasing-kasing kung ma-feel niya nga gi-appreciate nimo siya ug naa siya kasumbungan nga dili siya hukman. No judgment. Now, as I wrap up, I want to make it clear to the VA katipuneras listening, katong mga virtual assistant, nga mga wife, mga work from home moms. When your partner offers help and support, dawata. Acknowledge po that they are also trying to do their part. Ayaw po ng puros lang sapot, okay? Kung makakita ka nga your partner is trying to help, your husband is trying to volunteer to take the mental load off from you, dawata. Dili ta magka-pride ha. Kung gusto kang mulungtad inyong relasyon ug ang imong career, accept that you cannot do all of this alone. Dawata na bisag unsa pa ka strong independent woman, no, you cannot do everything alone. So don't do everything alone. You receive the support, you receive the love, and be thankful also ka blessed na nimo nga naa pa kay partner, nga buhi pa imong partner. So i-cherish pod na, okay? This goes both ways. So amping mo tanan bisan magira na ang kalibutan, have faith that if you have the right partner, you have a safe zone. But before I go, let me just add this. That at the time that I'm recording this video, I have 9 subscribers sa YouTube. I will keep making videos like this to help VAs emotionally navigate their online work journey. I will also share tutorial videos and there's a free bootcamp that you can join if you're an aspiring VA. Awa lang sa akong profile na ara ang registration link diha. Anyway, right now I have 9 subscribers. So if you are watching this video, I hope mo 10 na akong subscribers kayo. Subscribe man pud ka, diba? So salamat daan. See you soon sa akong next Road to VA Life podcast episode. Bye.